Hi everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of domain server on the application of Temu. We click on settings. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then here you will search about the application of Temu and we click in this page. In this window of app info we go to first stop and we click OK. Here you will enter to storage. Then we click on clear cache. Here we go to Play Store. You will search about Temu app. Then you will uninstall your app and you will install it again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.